Hi everyone, welcome to Jan's page. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to show you my undershelf storage which I got from Aldi. It is £2.50 each. I put my bangles, jewelry, sunglasses. It is very convenient for me and I will show you how it looks. It has 5 hooks on each side and you can see it is easy to take out and put it in. We can use this inside the wardrobe as well and in the kitchen wherever you need extra storage space. Now this I have used for my other accessories. As you can see, please thumbs up if you like this video. I think it is a simple and practical solution by which you can utilize the space in the cupboard or the wardrobe. You can also use it in the kitchen for hanging utensils, mugs, wine glasses, and so on. If you like our video and you want to see more product reviews on different products, please comment, share and subscribe our channel Jan's page. See you again soon in another video. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.